Hello, and welcome to Managed Vehicle Fleet Compliance System Driver application. In this video, we are going to walk you through the application. Now, once the manager sets up your account, you'll get an email with your login details. Simply use these login details to sign into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you can see the dashboard. Simply click on the quick menu icon on top to get access to the quick menu. Down below, you can see a change password tab. Simply click on it to change your password. Now you have successfully changed your password. Use this password to log in every time. This is a dashboard you can see once your manager sets up your account. Here you can see a chart that displays the status of your work. You can see the number of jobs that you have completed, scheduled, open, or that are in progress. Further down, you can see a graph that shows your expenses. You can see how much money on fuel you have spent throughout your journey. Down below, you can simply see the total hours that you have worked on a week or the current month. Scrolling further, you can see two tabs, the Active Work tab and the Completed Work tab. The Active Work tab shows you the work in progress or any other jobs that have been scheduled. The Completed Work tab shows you the list of jobs that you have completed.
To create a job, simply click plus button on the bottom right corner of your dashboard. Then select Yes, Create Work option. Once you agree the fatigue, self-assessment, driver declaration and COVID-19 assessment, you'll then be directed to select the vehicle that you're driving for the day. You can see the list of vehicles to choose from. Select the one that you're going to drive for the day, then confirm the vehicle. Once you confirm the vehicle, you are then asked to complete the vehicle safety checklist. Choose the options as indicated, whether the part is acceptable to drive or is broken. If any of the part is broken, then you are required to select broken, and it asks you to take a photo and submit the report as you go. If everything is okay, you are now required to draw your signature and submit it. Once the vehicle part is done, you are then required to fill the asset that you're carrying. You can select the type of asset, asset ID, owner of the asset that you are carrying. You are now required to check the load, check if the load is secured or not, and select the option accordingly. Once everything is assessed, you can then commence your job by clicking on Start Job. You are then asked to enter the odometer reading and submit it. Once you submit it, you can see the timer running. If you go back on dashboard, you can see the job that you just created. By clicking on the job in progress, you are now able to see the timer again. You are required to stop the timer and put the odometer reading if you stop for the break. Start the timer back again to resume the journey. Your activities are recorded in Activity Record below. Once you complete the job, simply click on Finish Job button. You are then directed to confirm the job stops, in which you can edit any of the stops made before, or you are also able to add any stops during your journey that you might have missed before due to any connection issues. Confirm the job stops If everything looks okay, you are then asked to enter automated reading and attach your worksheet to submit. On the quick menu, there are a few options for you to choose from. If you happen to be in any of the accident, you are required to report the incident by selecting the incident report option. Just simply select the reg of the vehicle, type of incident, give a title for incident for your manager to have a quick overview, put a description for incident, description for repair, whoever person is related for the incident, and whose fault was it. You're now required to upload a photo and submit the report.
Now, if there's something wrong with your vehicle, just click on the menu option and select the fault reporting. Once you've done that, simply select the vehicle and write down what's wrong on the description box below. You are then required to take a picture of the specific area and submit the report. On the quick menu, you can see the My Documents tab. Here you can see your documents that are provided to you by your manager. On the quick menu, you can see the Fuel Expenses tab. Go on this tab every time you have to fill up. Here, you can select the vehicle that you're driving. Enter the amount, the quantity, and the odometer reading. Then you are required to take a photo of the receipt and submit the report. Once you submit the report, you can see your expense on the dashboard. That's it for this tutorial. And remember to drive safe. And please always remember to take breaks. You will get a notification to take breaks every 4.5 hours. If you don't comply, the fleet manager will get a non-compliance report automatically. Always remember, the fleet compliance system driver application is always for your safety. And remember, trucks run Australia, and we appreciate your support. Thank you.